Hey folks, Don DeRosa here. Wanted to take a quick second to personally invite you to a seminar I'm having this Saturday on the 21st from 9 to 5. The topic for the seminar is buying properties subject to the existing financing. If you don't know what that is, that's where literally the homeowner gives you the deed to the home and signs it over to you. You don't have to go down to the bank and qualify. You don't have to put it on your credit report. And you can literally buy houses with no money down or no money out of your pocket, and it doesn't go on your credit report. All those that you see on TV that someone says, I bought a house, no money down. This is the technique that they're talking about. When you buy a property subject to, the owner literally deeds over the property to you. Sometimes you can give them a little bit of money, but other times you may take that over just for what they owe. You don't have to go down to the bank and qualify for it. You don't have to put it on your credit report, none of that. And it doesn't have to be your money to buy that property. You can use the existing financing that's already on it. This, my friends, is the most powerful technique in real estate today. You can control an enormous amount of real estate and own it and not have to go borrow a bunch of money and put it in your name and have it on your credit. So if you want to learn how to do that, how to buy properties where the owner literally gives it to you, this is the year to do it, because with inflation, foreclosure is going to start climbing, and the way our economy is headed, subject to deals are going to be abundant, and you need to learn how to do them. So this Saturday, we're going to talk about how to find them, how to do all the paperwork, what to say to the homeowner. We're actually going to have an attorney there to show you what paperwork you should be getting and the right way of doing it, and how to fund all of these things easily with virtually no money. So all you have to do to register is click the link below, and I'll see you this Saturday on the 21st. Make sure you're there. We start at 9. Have a good day. Look forward to seeing you.